call it shadow art, but actual name of it is chill out. Yeah, I'm getting the message. I can't see. I can't see you. Okay, okay. Okay, then so very soon we will be starting. We have still 2 minutes and many students are getting connected. We will wait for them. And after that sharp 7, we will start with our activity. And students, the only thing I want to tell you about that go creative. Don't waste your time in watching TV every time, busy on mobiles, laptop. No, this is the best time to nurture your creativity and your talent. Read good books, and small kids, they are blessed with so much of creativity. Try something new. Try to make models. Try to make different beautiful cards for all family members. Try to recycle waste and everything. And for supporting this basic skill, I have uploaded many videos. Even the small videos for making cakes and all for small kids without fire, and so many things out of waste material I've uploaded on my YouTube channel, and I'm going to share the link. Okay, so if you feel like you what to do, how to do, you can visit that YouTube channel and see there are so many things of your level. Even kids can do without voices. Okay, as I'm getting messages that my voice is not clear. Am I audible? Please convey some. Am I audible now? Okay, fine. So students, within a short while we will start, and I want to tell my students, especially the children, that students during lockdown, you must have realized that your family is very precious, a great gift of God. So today the card which I'm going to teach you, this is the drawing which you can dedicate to your mom and dad. Actually, these all paintings I'm teaching, you can give it to your mom and dad as card and write something on your behalf to show your gratitude. And one thing, children, I want to tell you, those who are very harsh and disrespectful towards their parents, they speak very harsh words when mom is knocking for studies and not. See, God, stop showering the blessings on those who are not respecting their parents. So parents are great gift of God. Respect them. And these activities I especially conduct, in which you are going to learn so many things beautiful. You can write lines for your mom and dad, and you can give it to them showing your gratitude. Okay, so this is now your turn to show your gratitude, your love, your respect towards them. They are precious, especially your moms working hard during lockdown. They are managing with every household work and maintaining with your studies and dinner, then lunch, then breakfast. So many expectations are there with your mom. And in that all, what happened? She's lost. Hai na? And because of this only, I want to tell you one more thing, students. We are running our regular classes also. And we are going to start with a very special batch for mom. Because I found, even I'm a mom, and I realized during my life that we moms, we don't have time for ourselves. We are lost in maintaining and managing everything for others. And we don't know that since long we have never nurtured our hobbies. And because of this, we have started a mom special batch, and we are going to start it from tomorrow. And even a new batch we are starting for the young ones, the juniors. And I want to show the artwork very soon. In between my artwork, I will show the work our students are doing, and we are teaching them cartoon characters like Barbie dolls, Ninja Hattori, and different cartoon characters, landscapes, poster makings, and different techniques and all. So this is also an effort to nurture the creativity with the help of this kind of throughout classes which we are running. I'm watching that many moms are getting connected, and they're saying it, they're giving comments. The ma'am, since long after 20 to 25 years, we picked up our brush and we're enjoying coloring, and the stress, it's a very good stress relieving thing which we get through these drawing classes. So moms, please nurture your hobbies also. And the techniques we are teaching, you can use on fabrics, on your saris, dresses, sofa bag, table runners, everywhere. So the techniques are, and for making your project files of your kids proper. So it will be very helpful to you also. Okay. Okay, as on request, I will be speaking Hindi also. तो मॉम्स, आप सारी मॉम्स के लिए मैं ये बोलना चाहूंगी कि आप हमेशा हाउस होल्ड वर्क में इतने बिजी होते हो, सुबह के नाश्ते से लेके रात के खाने तक एक पैर पे भागते हुए, सबकी सबकी नीड्स का ध्यान रखते हुए आप इतने लॉस्ट हो जाते हो कि आपको कभी याद ही नहीं होता कि आपकी अपनी भी कुछ हॉबीज हैं, आपके अपने भी कुछ शौक हैं। तो हमने आप सबके लिए एक बहुत स्पेशल मॉम स्पेशल बैच रखा है, और कल से हमारा नया बैच शुरू हो रहा है इवन फॉर किड्स, छोटे बच्चों के लिए भी। हमारी रेगुलर जो ड्राइंग क्लासेस है उसमें हम नया बैच शुरू करने जा रहे हैं, जिसमें आवर स्टूडेंट्स आर डूइंग अमेजिंग। आई विल बी शोइंग, मैं दिखाऊंगी कि हमारे बच्चों ने किस तरह का काम किया है, जिसमें 4 साल से लेके 7 इयर्स तक यानी 7 साल के बच्चे हैं। तो बच्चों, आप सबको अपने इस टाइम को बहुत ज्यादा अच्छे से यूज करना, अच्छी बुक्स रीड करो, है ना, अच्छी अपने टैलेंट को नर्चर करो। अगर म्यूजिक में इंटरेस्ट है तो किसी इंस्ट्रूमेंट पे आप वर्क करो एंड गो क्रिएटिव। ओके, so shall we start with the class? You must be waiting for class and I will be starting very soon. So let's start. Okay. Hmm. नहीं, मैंने जूनियर ग्रुप में। Okay. Now students, before starting, as I told you, yes, am I? Yes, students. I told you just now that our students of junior group are doing amazing work. See, this is the work which they learn. And you can follow our Facebook page. We are updating every activity and every work in our class. And you will be able to see that our junior kids are doing amazing work. This few days back, we were having International Family Day. And I taught this drawing to my kids and they did amazingly wonderful. And we use, and this is coffee painting. Few days back, we did one activity. And even small kids, this is a painting with coffee. Completely with coffee it is made. And cartoon character, your favorite, Doraemon. So we are teaching cartoon characters and all. And this is one artwork which our senior group, mom special group, they did. They learned texture art. And now they are learning one stroke painting. This is a senior batch in which the students who are of 9 to 15 years, 13 years, they are learning. And this is again poster making. This kind of things our junior kids are learning. And we use very simple. And as I told you that before this, from 4 to 5:30, I was having one activity. And in that, I taught this drawing. We learned this drawing and I will upload this on my YouTube channel. So don't worry, the complete class of this activity, I'm going to upload. And you can see this is a small artwork, mom and baby. Again, dedicated to moms, okay? Because I just want my all children to be very respectful towards their moms. So this work we have done, and now in this class, we are going to learn something different. We are not going to learn the same, but the video of this work I will upload on my YouTube channel. So if you want to learn this, the complete class of 1.5 hours, you will find complete class and you can make this also. Okay? So now let's start with our next work. Okay? Yeah, see, this is the work of our senior batch in which the senior students are learning. So this is the work of senior batch. And last time, our moms, they learned this drawing. I'm showing you. They made this artwork with one stroke painting. So their moms are doing really well. And one stroke painting, it is giving them relief from stress and frustration also. So this is all about, and let's start with the work now. Okay, students, now I'm using A3 size sheet, but you can use any other size also. Okay. Yes, now we will start with the artwork. Students, you all must be having your drawing sheets and many of you must be having I will keep it on side, on the table. Yes. Keep it here, near. Okay, students. Now see, basically what we need for making this artwork, I will just remind you. We need cotton. Where is cotton? Yes. We need cotton, earbud. Okay. And the basic color we need is yellow. Yellow we need in our painting. We need orange. And we need white. These three colors and black. These four colors you should have positively. Okay. Basically, we will be using this. And a touch-up we will be using. This is yellow, orange, white, and black. Okay. These four colors you should have. And one more thing, student, those who are going to use cake colors. Yes, those who are going to use cake colors. Many of you must be using cake colors. So what you should do, students, whenever you want to do work with cake colors, before starting your artwork, you should add one drop. See, add one drop on each cake. So what will happen? By the time when you will finish your work, the cakes will turn soft and it will be ready to use. Okay? Because they turn hard. Because after remaining unused, they turn hard. So what you do always, whenever you want to use cake colors, before starting your sketching work, you just add one drop water on each cake and you will find them soft and ready to use when you will start your coloring. Okay? Okay, I will keep speaking Hindi also because many of you are requesting to speak Hindi. So मैं बीच-बीच में हिंदी भी बोलती रहूँगी. And Hindi is one of my favorite language, undoubtedly. अच्छा, अब सबसे पहले, as many students are from Chennai and Andhra Pradesh, so they don't understand Hindi actually. That's why I normally communicate in English. A few lines which I can use. Okay. Achha, students, see, this is drawing file. When we use drawing file in this way, sleeping way, this is called horizontally. And when we keep it this way, in standing position, it is called vertically. Give a full view. Full view of the file. Yes. Okay. Complete view. Yes. Now it will help you understanding. Yes. Let's start with our drawing. Now first we will be starting with our sketch. And I will be using letters and numbers for making it very simple. First of all, students, what you will be doing, keeping more than half below, and no one will be using scale, okay? Without using scale, draw a line. Without scale. You can see more than half part is left here. Draw a line. Yes, draw a line. And small kids can also, they will be also able to do, just be attentive, okay? Yes, keep doing according to my instructions, okay? And one more thing I want to tell you, students, you will be getting the complete recording also of this class, okay? So if something is missing, you don't worry. Horizontally or vertically? It is vertically, not horizontally. It is vertically, standing position, okay? Okay, now you can see this is the half. Make a light line on the half. Okay, it's half. एकदम light सी line बना दो. Dark नहीं बनाना. Light. Because here I am going to show the mom and here I will be showing the baby. Mom and baby. I told you, this card you are going to dedicate to your mom. So we will be learning mom's swan and a baby swan. Okay. Yes. Now what you will be doing, students? This line is very light. Keep doing. I will wait because there are many small and young kids. So I can understand they need time to complete. So, yes. Okay. Now see what I did. I made a line. And this is a little bit light line. I divided half. Okay. Yes. Okay. Yes. Now students, here I will be making mom. Okay. But before starting a basic drawing, you do one thing. Take 2 lines. Any, you can use any pencil. We are not going for pencil shading. So whatever is available, whatever is the number of your pencil, you can use any. I will be using a shape of C from this point to this point. Okay, it can be irregular, it can be curved, properly curved. It's your choice. I will make it little more dark so that you can see. Okay, I will be making it little dark. It's a curve, C shape. Okay, yes. Show your thumbs up if you have done this much. And I want to see a lovely, bright smile on your face while showing your thumbs up. Okay? Come on, with 32 teeth. Yes. Shabash. Good. Hannah? Your energy is actually a driving force for me. Okay? So every time I want a close-up smile. You must have seen mine in my photo. That close-up smile you should have. Okay? Now see, students, the standing line we have now. So almost half. This is half of this. So we can use above that. Now draw one line here. In fact, you can come on half. Draw the line on half. Come on, do this. Now see what I'm doing. I'm using this side half part. Okay. Yeah, I will repeat. I'll repeat. See what we did, students. We are using our drawing file vertically. Then keeping more than half below, we just draw a line without scale. And then we divide this in half so that our mama swan will come here and baby swan and we are going to show you. Okay, this is a line. Okay. Now we have these 2 points. Take 2 points and draw a shape of C. And you can see it's a flat C. It's a flat C, not deep. Yes. See? Okay. And after this, from here you will be making a straight line. Draw a straight line. It's coming, it's like a 1. It's like a 1 we are making. Okay. Yes. Done? Show your thumbs up if you have done this much. Yes. And those who have not done, please show your thumbs down so that I can understand that we are supposed to wait. Okay, okay. When you are showing thumbs down, we'll wait for them. Take your own time, do, because this drawing is very important. And students, keep the steps which I'm teaching in mind. You are learning a drawing of a bird. And in your SST and science, you must be needing the how to draw a bird. In science and SST, we are asked now to make a drawing of bird. So you will learn how to draw a bird also. Now see what I did. I took a sleeping line, then I joined it with C, and I took the straight line. And after taking straight line, this is the last point. Take the last point. I'm not getting my screen of teaching. Okay, now this. Now, what we are supposed to do after making this point and this point, we will join with the help of a curved line. Curved line. Okay. What I did, I took a line. I draw a C, then a straight line. Straight line. And after that, I join these 2 points with curve. Now, what I will be doing, I will just give it a round effect and erase this line. I will erase this line. Okay, give a slight curve if you want. Now, you will be taking 1 point here and we will write S. Now, what students, we normally write S this ways. The blank sheet I want. I'll give this. Okay. We normally write S this ways. We normally write S this way, but here we will be writing this ways. Okay, it's very flat, but the shape is S only. So from here, we will be writing S. S. Okay, shape of S. We will start from here, and it's a very flat S. Yes. Show your thumbs up if you have done this much. We are using letters, okay? Take your own time because this is actually the S. It is flat. Yes. Now, this is the last point. Take the last point. And take a point near. Near that, quite close. And what you do, take one point at little distance. Means the distance is more than this, but not very much. Here, this much. Mark two distances, and then what you will be doing, you will be making a as parallel. आप धीरे धीरे यहाँ से broad है, देखो, this is broad from here. It's broad from here, and slowly you're coming close. Okay, this is a shape of S twice, but distance here is bigger. यहाँ ये थोड़ा दूर है, और यहाँ ये पास आ गए. Show your thumbs up if you have done this much. Okay, okay. And show your thumbs down if you have not done. I will get that you need more time. Okay. Okay. Now, students, what you will be doing, this upper one. This upper, here you will be making it round. We'll just bend it right, with the help of a C. See, this is a letter C. Okay, I just join with this S. Right? This is the last point. Take last point. For small kids, it's very helpful. When we take last point, they get idea from where to start. Take a point again, very close. Take one point here. Now this point and this point, we are going to join with the help of C. C. Okay? And yeah, keep doing. I will go very slow because this is actually the basic figure. Okay, now these 2 points we have now. Draw a very small V inside. And these 2 points we have, we will be making a V, a big deep V. It's a big V. Using these 2 points, a deep V. Okay. Yeah. Now what we'll be doing, we'll erase this line. And here also, this straight line we have now, we will give a slight curve. Slight curve, and we will erase this line also. Okay. From here, 2 points. I will show the lines. You will find it easy to draw. And the technique which we are learning, students, this is called chill out. Here we will not make eyes and all. We will just show a shadow. Normally students call it shadow art. but the actual name of this technique is chill out. In this we show any object as a black solid shape, है ना? हम इसमें फीचर्स नहीं बनाते हैं, हम सिर्फ एक ब्लैक कलर से उसको एक ब्लैक सॉलिड शेप की तरह दिखाते हैं. Okay, now show legs. Big, long legs. Let the legs come down. Give a complete view. Chill out. SHILLOUTTEE. Chill out. Normally we know it as shadow art, but actual name of this drawing is chill out. Okay? Yes. Now the same technique for baby standing here. है ना? Whether it is a bird, whether it is a human being or a small tiny insect or creeper, whoever, they all are bothered about their babies. Because this love and affection, only one heart is having, and that is mom. Okay? Chalo, let's start here. Draw one line. I will be making a baby. And the method is same. I will be taking 2 lines. Cute young baby. Okay? And draw C. We all know the method. The method is same. But it will be a revision also. Okay? If we will redraw, it will be a revision for us. Yes. Okay? Yes. Make it. It is looking like a capital D. Now from here, draw a straight line. Draw a straight line. Yes. And this is the last point. It's a newly born baby. Okay. Very young. Now this point and this point. This point and this point you will be joining with the help of C. C. Okay. And this point and this point. This and this point also we will be joining with flat C. Okay. And then erase the lines inside. Erase all the lines inside. You will get the shape. The shape of the body of swan is of this kind. It's very simple to draw, okay? Now from here, we will be writing S. S. Okay. Write S. This is a normal flat S. This is the last point. Take. Okay, अब इसके पास आपको एक छोटा सा पॉइंट और लेना है. ठीक है, एक और पॉइंट ले लीजिए यहाँ. और जैसा कि हमने इस स्वैन में किया था, यहाँ जितना गैप है थोड़ा सा और थोड़ा दूर, इसका पूरा व्यू आ जाए. यस, उससे थोड़ा ज्यादा डिस्टेंस हमें यहाँ रखना है. ठीक है, और हमको इसको एस को जोड़ देना है. आप देख रहे होंगे कि इसको बनाना कितना आसान है. हमने कुछ लेटर्स और कुछ नंबर्स ऐड किए हैं बस, है ना. और यहां से ये वाली जो लाइन है ना, इस लाइन के आगे सी लिख देना है. सी लिख दो. चलो सी, ये सी लिख दिया. यहां से लेके यहां तक मैंने सी लिख दिया. ओके, थोड़ा छोटा लिख सकते हैं, बेबी का फेस है, इतना लिख दो. ओके, अब ये लास्ट पॉइंट है. लास्ट पॉइंट लो. वेरी गुड. अब आपको क्या करना है, इस पॉइंट के पास एक पॉइंट लेना है. एक पॉइंट लो. यस. अब आप इस पॉइंट और इस पॉइंट को सी लिखकर ज्वाइन करोगे. सी. ओके. अब ये जो डिवाइडिंग लाइन हमने बनाई थी ना, ये बीच वाली, इससे हमें क्या मालूम पड़ा, हमारी जो पोजीशनिंग थी वो ठीक हो गई, है ना, कि मम्मा इस साइड आएंगी, बेबी इस साइड आएगा. नाउ ड्रॉ अ स्मॉल वी. वी. एंड अब इस पॉइंट और इस पॉइंट को ज्वाइन करके हमें एक वी लिखना है. डीप वी, पॉइंटेड. ओके. एंड देन इस लाइन को इरेज कर दो। ये हो गया हमारा बेबी। ये पूरा व्यू मिल जाएगा, फुल व्यू। अब यहां से 2 लेग्स, ठीक है। बेबी को भी मम्मा ने कहा कि चलो मेरे साथ आप भी चलो एंड लर्न हाउ टू हंट फिशेस, है ना। तो मम्मा ने कहा कि अब तुम घर पे नहीं बैठोगे, तो मेरे साथ सीखोगे कि फिशेस को कैसे हंट करते हैं। तो हम दोनों आज साथ चलेंगे। तो सनसेट के वक्त मम्मा और बेबी दोनों तालाब के पास पहुंच गए। तो ये मम्मा और बेबी तो रेडी हो गए, ठीक है। हमारी ड्राइंग बस अब थोड़ी देर में रेडी होने वाली है। नाउ शो ग्रास। यहाँ पे आपको लाइंस देखो, जैसे ये लास्ट पॉइंट है ना, यहाँ पे आपको 1 2 3 लाइंस पास पास लिख देनी है। 1 2 3 लाइंस पास पास लिख देनी है, ठीक है। ऐसे कर्व लाइन बना दो। ये ग्रास है, कुछ और ग्रास छोटी छोटी, ये हम डायरेक्ट कलर से बना लेंगे, ठीक है। ये हम डायरेक्ट कलर से बनाएंगे। और यहाँ पे भी आपको 1 2 3 आस पास लिखना है। 1 2 3 सर्कल बना के कनेक्टेड टू ग्रास। थोड़ी सी ग्रास ऐसे भी हम जाके बना सकते हैं। 1 2 3 कनेक्ट सर्कल। चलो अब हमें क्या करना है, ये सेंटर लाइन अब हमारे किसी काम की नहीं है, इसको इरेज कर दो। इरेज दिस लाइन। This center line was just for measurement. Okay, all extra lines you erase and make it clean. ठीक है? And now I want to show sunset here. I will be showing the shadow of sun here. पूरा view दे दो. Complete view. Yes. अब आपको यहाँ पे sun बनाना है. यहाँ. बहुत ज्यादा बड़ा नहीं. You can use object also. हाँ.
स्पीकर वॉइस वो करो, स्पीकर पे उनको बोलो।
हाँ.
स्पीकर मोड पे करें।
Please, those who can't see, keep yourself on speaker mode. Then you will be able to see me. Okay? Now go for a sun. Sun बना दो। आप एक ऑब्जेक्ट भी यूज कर सकते हो। छोटे बच्चे ऑब्जेक्ट यूज करो। Okay? ढक्कन. You can use any kind of cap, or you can see. That's why I'm giving you complete view of my file so that you can understand how much big circle. Okay? And here you will be making a small slanting line to show mountain. Okay? Drawing is about to get over. And few birds. First you do this much. Finish this much. And show your thumbs up if you have done. Please keep showing your thumbs up. And don't forget with smile. I will not look at your thumbs up without smile. Okay? With energetic smile. Yes. That's it. Okay. I'm waiting. As I got message that many of you have not done, I will revise. See, I made a sun with the help of a circle, and I just make a slanting curved line to show the mountain at the back. Birds we all will be doing together when I will see and show those who have not done. Please show your thumbs down. Yeah, many of you have done it so beautifully. Many are showing their files and they have done great work. I'm very happy with their work. The name of my YouTube channel is My Creative Mom, Leena Bandil. And in that I have uploaded many videos. You won't believe there is one video in which I used Multani clay and garden soil for doing painting. So when you are creative, you will find creativity everywhere. Okay, now our drawing is done. Show your thumbs up, please, so that I can complete my work. With smile. With smile? Yes. Yes, yes. This is that. We should be happy while doing work. Otherwise, our output will be very poor. If we will be unhappy, our drawing will look unhappy. And see, this is a beautiful drawing of mama and cute baby. Mama is teaching how to hunt the fishes. Your mama is teaching how to learn and teaching you good habits, taking care of your everything. So that's why I add a baby in this drawing. And this drawing you're going to give to your mom for showing your gratitude. You promised me, right? Okay. Now here we will be making 1, 2, and 3 points. And write M. M for mango. Flat M. Okay, M. One more. 3 words are enough. If you want to make add more, you can. This is M. M. Looking like 3. It's looking like 3 also. Okay. Now our drawing is done. Now we will start with the next step. And before that, I want to see everyone you have done. And please show your thumbs down if you have not done. Or please send me on message. Yes. Yes. The elder one, they are showing their thumbs without smile. I want to see a smile on the faces of the... yes. And you look so wonderful while smiling. Yes. It's a pleasure to see you smiling. Okay. Okay, now students, now let's come on colors. Now your most favorite colors will start now. Now, first of all, pick up your eraser and erase all extra lines. Make your drawing clean. All the dividing line and everything you clean. Okay, clean everything. Now what you will be doing, you will take a plate and take 2 colors, yellow.
Please wait.
Do this much. I got the message to wait. I will wait because we all will remain in rhythm. Then only what we want will come out on the drawing file. Okay. And the previous drawing which I showed, now this one, you can make this also. Yeah. Yeah, this one. This you will find on my YouTube channel. So you can make this also. You can make a complete family if you want to. Many students in my class who are learning, they made this as only mama here, papa here, and 2 babies in between. So it can be a family card also. Okay. And with complete method and each step I have uploaded on my YouTube channel. So you will get benefit of both the class. Okay. Now see. Give a complete view. ये ऊपर से कट रहा है ना? अच्छा ठीक है. Okay. Show your thumbs up so that I can start with my coloring. Please show your thumbs up. Yes. All of you? Okay. Now take a plate. एक plate ले लो. And after taking your plate, take these 2 colors. Orange. You can take color palette also. If you have color palette, you can take color palette. I have taken yellow and orange. Okay, these 2 colors. Okay. Now what I will be doing? First, I will take yellow.
We can use watercolor.
Watercolors you can use. I'm using acrylic. You can use watercolors. You can, but your color should be yellow and orange. Okay. Now what I'm going to do, students, with the help of orange, if you don't have, so you can add a touch of red, a little amount of touch of red. So what will happen? Yellow and orange, red will turn orange. When we mix these 2 colors now, big amount of yellow and a touch of red, it turn orange only. Okay. Now what I will be doing, I will take yellow. Take it nicely. Okay, take it nicely. See, I will show how it looks. I'm taking red. I will be taking red. And देखो, those who are not having, जिनके पास orange नहीं है, मैं थोड़ा सा आपको red और orange को mix तो कर. देखो ये red मैंने लिया और मैंने yellow लिया. और जब मैं इसको mix करूंगी तो you will get this kind of orange. See, orange हो गया ना ये? तो इस तरह से you will get orange color. Okay? चलो. अब आप अपनी प्लेट में येलो ले लो. येलो अगर नहीं है तो फिर आप जो कलर है आपके पास अवेलेबल उस कलर से आप वॉश डालो. ठीक है, कोई बात नहीं. अगर आपके पास जो भी कलर अवेलेबल आप उससे वॉश डाल दो, कि उससे कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ेगा. मैं इसमें देखो, नाउ आई वांट टू ऐड वाटर. तो मैं एक एक ड्रॉप करके, कभी भी वाटर को डायरेक्टली कंटेनर से मत डालो, एक एक ड्रॉप करके ऐड करो. देखो मैं एक एक ड्रॉप इसमें गिरा रही हूँ. ठीक है, और मुझे बहुत पतला नहीं करना है. I want it quite thick. येलो को मैं थोड़ा सा और ले सकती हूँ, इसको मिक्स करो, देखो ये इतना पतला होना चाहिए. I took white plate purposely so that you can see that what should be the consistency. एकदम पतला नहीं करना है, अच्छे से लेना है येलो, कंजूसी से नहीं लेना, क्योंकि हमारा पेपर बहुत बड़ा है और हमें काफी सारा येलो, we will be needing lots of yellow. ठीक है, ये ले लिया हमने येलो, राइट. अब हमें क्या करना है, हमें ऑरेंज को भी खोल के रख देना है. ऑरेंज को भी एक साइड खोल के रख दो. यस, अब बारी है, हाँ इतना कर लो सब. पहले सब लोग अपने प्लेट में और बोल में, अगर बोल है तो बोल में कलर रेडी करो. ब्रश पेन बेटा, वॉश यू गिव विथ कॉटन, रेस्ट रिमेनिंग वर्क यू कैन डू विथ ब्रश पेन, बट वॉश आई वांट टू डू विथ कॉटन. हाँ रुई, इसे रुई बोलते हैं हिंदी में, कपास. बिकॉज देयर आर मेनी स्टूडेंट्स फ्रॉम महाराष्ट्र, दे अंडरस्टैंड ओनली मराठी. So in Maharashtra it is called kapas. Okay, ठीक है. And हाँ, please show your thumbs up if your color is ready. Show your thumbs up. हाँ, I'm using acrylic color only. I'm using acrylic only, and acrylic color you can mix with water. Only oil colors, it needs linseed oil. Otherwise, rest all colors are soluble in water. Okay. देखो अभी येलो बन गया. Yes. हाँ, शो योर थम्स अप. अगर आपका इतना हो गया तो प्लीज थम्स अप दिखा दो. स्माइल कहाँ गई भाई, स्माइल के साथ दिखाना है. यस, मेक श्योर कि इन माय क्लास ऑल विल कीप स्माइलिंग. ओके, चलो अब ये येलो तो रेडी हो गया. अब मुझे क्या करना है, वाटर लेना है. टेक वाटर. अपनी इस कॉटन को, थोड़ी ज्यादा सी कॉटन लो और कॉटन को पानी में डिप कर दो. डिप कर दो और डिप करके इसका पानी को, इसके स्क्वीज इट, एंड डोंट स्क्वीज इट वेरी टाइट. इतना टाइट नहीं करना कि बिल्कुल सूख जाए. स्क्वीज इट जेंटली. ठीक है, थोड़ा थोड़ा पानी निकाल दो, एकदम सूखा नहीं कर देना इसको, थोड़ा पानी रहने दो. ठीक है. यस, अब इस कंटेनर को बंद. अब देखो, my cotton will absorb all my yellow color. See, it has absorbed all my yellow color. हाँ, I'm waiting. पूरा ऑरेंज, देखो ये पूरा येलो कलर मेरी कॉटन ने ले लिया प्लेट का. ठीक है, अब मुझे क्या करना है, या देख, if it is a acrylic color and it has become hard beta, so you will have to use no, it won't work. It has turned useless. So every time whenever you are keeping your fabric color, acrylic color for long, add 2-3 drop of water. कभी भी acrylic color को लंबे टाइम के लिए आपको रखना है तो इसमें 2-3 बूंदे पानी की डाल दो तो ये सूखेगा नहीं. अब देखो मैं क्या करूंगी, सी, ऑल ऑफ यू प्लीज सी केयरफुली. मैं थोड़ा सा ऑरेंज ले रही हूँ, इसके एक साइड पे थोड़ा सा ऑरेंज लगा दे रही हूँ, थोड़ा सा. हाँ, पोस्टर कलर विल वर्क. कोई भी वाटर कलर आप यूज कर सकते हो. मैंने थोड़ा सा ऑरेंज इसमें ऐड कर दिया और अब I will start. Come on, now start with the wash. I will. हाँ. Yes, start moving in sleeping lines from here to here. Okay, mix it. हाँ, please keep doing. Keep doing. कलर को अच्छे से blend करो. कॉटन की हेल्प से करो सारे बच्चे. Yes, इस स्वैन पे भी आ जाने दो. Don't worry, पूरे में कर दो. लंबा, यहाँ से यहाँ तक. Okay, यहाँ से यहाँ तक. You will get beautiful mixing. Can you see? अपने कॉटन को टर्न करते जाओ. कभी कभी येलो मिल जाएगा, है ना. येलो को थोड़ा ऊपर की साइड और करो तो और अच्छी ब्लेंडिंग हो जाएगी. Yes, see how beautiful the output is. This ways you will be completing your whole work. As we are showing sunset, ये मम्मा ने अपने बेबी से कहा कि चलो भाई सनसेट हो गया, अब आपको हम सिखाते हैं कि मछलियां कैसे पकड़ते हैं, और दोनों सनसेट के वक्त बाहर आ गए. ठीक. Yes. Here we will be doing black. So leave this part. ठीक है, यहाँ हम black करेंगे. Finish the corners. And see, you should be very gentle while applying the color. You should not be harsh. कलर को कभी भी या कॉटन को रगड़ना नहीं है, नहीं तो क्या होगा, इसमें पेपर बॉल्स आ जाएंगे. हमें बहुत प्यार से बस यहाँ से यहाँ तक स्ट्रोक लेते जाना है. ठीक है, यहाँ पूरे में. अब देखो ये कितनी ब्यूटीफुल मिक्सिंग आ गई ना ऑरेंज और येलो की. हमें यही चाहिए थी. कभी भी किसी बड़े सरफेस पे अगर आपको बैकग्राउंड बनाना है, ऑलवेज यूज कॉटन. ठीक है, क्योंकि छोटे बच्चों के लिए डिफिकल्ट होता है ब्रश से करना. ऑलवेज यूज कॉटन, इट्स द बेस्ट ऑप्शन. ओके, चलो अब इसे हम साइड पे रख देंगे. और अब हम लेंगे अपना ब्लैक कलर. थोड़ी और कॉटन लो. पहले इतना करो, शो कर, मुझे थम्स अप दिखाओ पहले सारे स्टूडेंट्स, इतना करो, तब हम आगे बढ़ेंगे. हाँ, यस.
जिसके पास नहीं है वो ब्रश से किससे कर सकते हैं?
कॉटन अगर नहीं है तो आप थिक ब्रश भी यूज कर सकते हो, ये वाला. आप अगर आपके पास थिक ब्रश है तो ये भी यूज कर सकते हो, लेकिन याद रहे कि इसमें वाटर का आपको काफी सारा ब्रश पिकअप करना है. ठीक है ना, तब ये काम करेगा. पर सबसे बेस्ट ऑप्शन है कॉटन. कॉटन से छोटे बच्चों का भी और बड़े लोगों का भी एकदम इवन सरफेस आपको मिलेगा. ओके, यस, कीप डूइंग. आराम से करो, बिल्कुल घिसना नहीं है. ब्रश को या कॉटन को अपने सरफेस पे रगड़ना नहीं है. इतना पानी लो कि वो एक बार में, यानी बहुत गीला भी नहीं होना चाहिए. टू मच ऑफ वाटर विल स्पॉइल योर वर्क, है ना, पेपर ये गल जाएगा. बहुत ज्यादा सूखा भी नहीं होना चाहिए. इतना हो कि स्मूथ चलता जाए. जब लगे कि अरे ये तो ड्राई ड्राई चल रहा है, थोड़ा सा कलर में पानी ऐड करो और फिर से कॉटन को लोड करो, तो ये ठीक से चलने लग जाएगा. ठीक है, अच्छा, शो योर थम्स अप. यस यस, थम्स अप दिखा दो जल्दी, तो हम आगे बढ़ेंगे. यस, थम्स अप. यस. और जिनका नहीं हुआ प्लीज शो योर थम्स डाउन, आई विल वेट. ओके ओके, मेनी स्टूडेंट्स आर शोइंग थम्स डाउन, तो आई विल वेट फॉर देम. ओके, डोंट वरी, कीप डूइंग. हाँ, कर लो ये. And see students, the technique which you are watching right now, this is the teaching technique of ours in our regular classes also.
Full page.
It's okay. It's okay. If you have colored this part also, it's okay, because we are going to apply black. And black, it is not going to make difference. नहीं, पर ये black होना है. अगर हो गया तो it is not going to make a difference. If you have colored the whole page, it is not going to make a difference. ठीक है? तो just keep doing. Okay. Now students, now let it dry. हमें इसको सूखने का इंतजार करना होगा. तब तक what you do, आप अपनी प्लेट में now you take black. ठीक है, I will be taking black. मैं थोड़ा सा black कलर लूंगी. Yes, this is my black. I'll wash my brush and एक ब्रश की हेल्प से मैं इसमें ब्लैक ले लूंगी. और ब्लैक भी मुझे काफी थिक चाहिए. ठीक है, लाइट नहीं चाहिए, तो मैं ज्यादा सा कलर थोड़ा सा लूंगी और एक दो ड्रॉप बस इसमें वाटर ऐड करूंगी, बस एक दो ड्रॉप. और फिर टेक्निक सेम है. सी, द टेक्निक इज सेम. आपको कॉटन लेनी है, थोड़ी कॉटन लो. उसको पानी में डिप करो, डिप करके स्क्वीज करो. स्क्वीज, ये बात याद रखना कि कॉटन में से पानी गिरना नहीं चाहिए, यानी ज्यादा पानी है. इतना स्क्वीज कर दो कि ये बिल्कुल सूखे भी ना और पानी गिरना बंद हो जाए. ठीक है, हाँ. You will be, you don't squeeze the cotton to this level that it become dry. Okay, and it should not have that much content of water that it is, the drops are just falling down from your cotton. Okay, it stop ho gayi kya? Okay, now I will take black. See, I have taken black in my cotton, and this bottom part I will be doing black. See, this ways I will be completing the bottom part black. And I'm again reminding you students, you need to be very soft with paper. You will not be harsh, otherwise paper balls will come and your outwork will become rough. Okay, black. And by the time you will see that our work is dried. Okay, it is dried. What you do now? And what we will be doing, students? You do one thing. You keep file this way. ठीक है, उल्टा रख दो इसको. Black को ऊपर कर दो और इनको उल्टा कर दो. Yes. This is the black part. And clean your hand with a rough cloth. Okay, now it's time to take your sketch pen. Take your sketch pen and start giving outlines in swan. Fill black in the beak and start giving outline. If you feel that your color is not dried, wait for a while and let it dry first. ठीक है ना, अगर गीला पेपर है तो गीले पेपर के ऊपर मत करना. अब मैं क्या कर रही हूँ, मैं आउटलाइन कर रही हूँ पूरे अपने स्वैन में. Okay. Okay, I will wait. Let it dry first. Okay.
Can I use pen?
If you have pen, you can use pen. During lockdown, try to manage with whatever material is available. ठीक है? So don't worry about. जो भी चीज available है उसके साथ शुरू हो जाओ. The thing which is very important is learn. Okay. Now what I will be doing, I will start giving outlines. And I'm giving bold outlines, thick outlines. You can fill the complete beak with black. Be very much careful while giving outlines. And if you have bold marker pen, you can use that also. And if you don't have marker pen, you can start doing with black color also. If you have black oil pastel, you can start with black oil pastel also. ये नीचे का कलर गीला है ना, तो अगर मैं वहां से करती तो मेरा हाथ गीले कलर में लगता है, इसलिए आई जस्ट रिवर्स. मैंने ड्राइंग को उल्टा कर दिया इसीलिए. बहुत केयरफुली start giving outlines. Okay? और अपनी outlines को bold कर दो. ये bold होनी चाहिए. काफी bold कर दो. और बहुत जो छोटे स्टूडेंट्स हैं वो तो इस नेक में पूरा कलर भी, अगर उनके पास स्केच पेन है, पूरे नेक में ब्लैक कर दो. नहीं तो हम ईयरबड से इसको करने वाले हैं वैसे. ठीक है? द बॉडी ऑल्सो अच्छे से आउटलाइन कर दो. ओके. पूरी बीक में स्केच पेन से ही भरो, ये तो इसकी बीक की शार्पनेस खत्म हो जाएगी. फिल ब्लैक कलर विद स्केच पेन. अब ये बेबी की गर्दन बहुत ज्यादा पतली है. द नेक इज वेरी थिन. So what you will be doing, you will fill this color, fill it with black marker pen only. The thin part you fill with sketch pen so that I will complete the outlines of the body like this. Students, each activity we are doing, we update on my Facebook page. So please follow and like the page, and you will be able to see each day's activities and the classes, the updatation of my class, the work of my students and all. And as I told you, we are starting with a new batch from tomorrow. Slowly. Give the outlines. Okay, and the legs. हाँ, ये इसलिए उल्टा रखा है ताकि हाथ गीला है ना, हाथ बार बार वहां ना लगे, इसलिए हमने इसको उल्टा रखा है. ठीक है. अभी जो ग्रास की लाइन बनाई आप इसको भी स्केच पेन से बना लो. स्केच पेन से इसको भी कर लो एक डॉट. और ये लाइन जो हमने पास पास बनाई थी ना, ऐसी लाइन बना के एक लाइन एक ऊपर 1 लिख दो. 1, ये पास 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 1 बना के एक लंबा 1 लिख दो. ठीक है. सारी ग्रास. Yes, and for junior kids, Barbies and all cartoon characters, we are teaching and covering so that their interest can enhance. Many girls of my junior category, they asked me to teach Barbie. Few days back, I taught unicorn. I want to show that work. And on my Facebook page, you can see the students made unicorn so nicely. We learned this unicorn in our last class. So every time while teaching, we are using numbers and letters. What we do, we simplify. We simplify the work so that it become easy to understand for our kids. As I did today. See, I use few letters and numbers and simplify the drawing. So when the drawing gets simplified, students start enjoying the drawing and show their interest also. Be very much careful. Don't forget to show birds in the sky with black sketch pen. Okay. Okay, students. Now, after doing this, yes. Now, see, students, after giving this outline, yes, I will wait for all of you. Finish the work. See, now I'm taking red of plastic crayon. Red of plastic crayons. And what I will be doing, I just want to add very light red from sides. Okay? Add red plastic crayons. I'm not using watercolors on the sides. Now I will just keep it in proper position so that you can see the proper view. Now see, to give the effect of red, I'm using plastic crayons. And why we are giving effect with plastic crayon? Because you are very young, small kids. So with brush, it will be difficult for you. And same you can do while making the pens with pencil color also you can show this. Okay? Very light, suggestive, smoky effect of red. Red. Upper side especially. Yeah. Make it because we are showing sunset. And you can see I'm going very smoky. Very smoky. Same here. Red on the corners. Just a touch. Just a touch in the corners. Okay? Just a touch. And here also. Here also. Add red. few lines. Okay, that's enough. Now you will be taking brown. You can take plastic crayon and you can take oil pastel, whatever color medium available. As I'm using, I will be taking brown. Okay, and with brown, you are supposed to show just one line. Just a line. Okay, with brown. Now students, after attending this class, you will find it very easy how to show the reflection of sun when it's set in the water, what colors we should use for showing sunset. If you want to show any other scene of sunset, it will be very clear from this drawing. Okay, now what you're supposed to take, now you will switch on to earbuds. Take one earbud. Yes, and dip this front part in water. Okay, and after that, to remove the extra moisture, you will tap it on a tissue or napkin. Okay, you will tap it on a cloth so that the extra moisture will be removed. Okay, now what you will be doing, students? You will take black and don't mix water. Directly you will take black, and what you will be doing, you will start coloring this complete swan very carefully. And see, this was thin now, so I color it. Otherwise, with earbud, because for young ones, see, use of earbud for the young ones is like pencil. They just place it and move. But with brush, what we are supposed to maintain the balance of hand. But here, you just place it on paper and just move it like pencil. So small kids find it very easy, and the content of color is very less. So the output, if whenever you want to do watercolors, for filling colors, always try earbud. For small kids, okay? Take very dark. I don't want it light, okay? Very dark. Slowly. When you are doing colors at sight, fill colors slowly. Slowly. Keep taking. जब लगे कि अब इसमें खत्म हो गया है, keep taking color. With earbud you fill the colors. Okay? छोटे छोटे बच्चों के लिए बहुत आसान है क्योंकि बिल्कुल पेंसिल की तरह बस रखकर उसे भर देना है. This ways.
You upload video on YouTube?
हाँ, I will upload the video on YouTube also. Both the videos. इससे पहले जो हमने, and if you want to go for dots, अगर कुछ बच्चों को लगता है कि हमें texture दिखाना है, जैसे इस baby में, तो you can go for dots also. Dots से क्या होगा कि a very beautiful texture will come. Although it will take lots of time, but very beautiful texture will come. तो baby में हम dot कर लेंगे, ठीक है? Baby के अंदर हम dot करेंगे और mama के अंदर हम straight color भर देते हैं. We will use dot in baby, and for mama we will fill normal colors. हाँ, अगर क्रेयॉन से कर दिया, आपके पास ब्लैक कलर नहीं हो और आपने इसको ब्लैक कर दिया, कोई बात नहीं है. दिस इज चिल आउट. दिस इज चिल आउट. अगर लगे ना कि लाइट है बहुत, तो उस पर एक और कोट डालो. इसको डार्क करना है, बस इतना आपको याद रखना है कि आप इसको डार्क करोगे. ठीक है, इसको अच्छे से, और याद रहे कि पानी नहीं ऐड करना है इसमें. अब देखो मैं डायरेक्ट कलर ले रही हूँ. आपने देखा, हमने कुछ नंबर्स और लेटर्स को यूज करा और देखो ये फिगर रेडी हो गया. और वैसे आप देखोगे तो आपको लगेगा कि माय गॉड, स्वैन कैसे बनाया जाता होगा, इसकी इतनी पतली नेक, इसकी इतनी डिफिकल्ट बॉडी, बट सी हाउ सिंपल इट इज, है ना. इफ यू वांट टू मेक अ कंप्लीट फैमिली, यू कैन मेक अ डैड आल्सो हियर. ठीक है, और थोड़े और टॉल बना देना डैड को, और यहाँ पे एक छोटा सा न्यूली बॉर्न बेबी और बना सकते. यू कैन शो वन हैप्पी फैमिली, दे ऑल आर हंटिंग, डूइंग हंटिंग टुगेदर. ठीक है ना. आप इसके और एक देखो, अब here in this baby I will be doing dots. You will learn one more technique. देखो मैं यहाँ पे बेबी के अंदर ईयरबड से छोटे छोटे डॉट्स बना रही हूँ. छोटे छोटे डॉट्स हैं, बिल्कुल छोटे छोटे, पास पास. तो आप ये टेक्निक भी यूज कर सकते हो. ठीक है, मैं आपको दोनों चीजें दिखा रही हूँ. आपको जो भी टेक्निक समझ में आए, इसको डॉट को दिखाना है. आपको जो भी, मैं इसकी बॉडी में बना रही हूँ. Dots. If you remember, those who attended my coffee painting workshop few days back, we did that workshop. तो उसमें आपने देखा होगा कि शायद painting भी है. I will show it to you. In that we learn a coffee painting. See, this drawing we learn in that. और आप देख सकते हैं इसमें bird के wing बनाने के लिए we use earbud only. This is made with coffee. Only single color, that is coffee. Few days back we conduct one workshop of coffee painting also. And in my routine classes also, we cover this as a topic. Now see, with earbud, you will find a different texture. I'll teach both the things. You can use any one for showing. See, texture, you will be finding the difference. You'll find a little bit of texture. So in baby's feathers, you can show the texture. आप इसमें texture दिखा सकते हो. ईयरबड से बस आप सीधे सीधे लाइन डालते जाओ. What? हाँ बेटा, see in class there are very young ones also, so we can't rush. हमें सबको रिदम में लेके चलना है ना. तो there are many who are very fast, but हमें छोटे बच्चों को भी साथ लेके चलना है. तो हमारी speed we will maintain, which everyone can be doing. Because what will happen? They'll miss the further. Now see, if you feel that this part is quite light, so you can apply one more coat. My channel's name is, many are asking for my channel's name. I will share the link. Its name is My Creative Mom Leena Bandil. And as it is very clear from name, ki My Creative Mom, it is created by my daughter. And I share my good ideas for craft and drawing on my YouTube channel, so that students can go creative and get guidance whenever needed. See, I'm applying one more coat because I find it light. So I'm applying because I want it very dark. Okay, so one more coat I'm going to apply. Yes. With black. You can use earbud also. Now I'm doing it with brush. But you can try it with earbud. Now, finish the work. You can use earbud. Okay, students? I'm using brush, but you try with earbud. Earbud is always safe option for you. And if it is dark, then no need. Okay, now this mountain will be also black. Okay? So again, I'm coming to earbud so that you all can do with me. With earbud, I will be completing this mountain. At the back. Start filling with earbud. Okay, and make sure it should be dark. Don't add water. Okay. अगर बहुत ही ज्यादा ड्राई चल रहा है, लग रहा है कि हो ही नहीं रहा, तो थोड़ा सा एक ड्रॉप ऐड कर लो वाटर, लेकिन बहुत ज्यादा नहीं. हमको ये बहुत थिक चाहिए, ब्लैक. And this technique is called chill out. It is just a shadow of swan and baby. है ना? इसमें हमने कहीं उनके फीचर्स नहीं दिखाए, फेदर्स नहीं दिखाए, एक सॉलिड शेप की तरह दिखाया है. तो इस टेक्निक को हम chill out टेक्निक कहते हैं. ठीक है? We call it chill out. Okay? Okay. Now you all will take either First you do this much. I want to see your thumbs up first before stepping on. Please show your thumbs up if you have done this and you are getting this. And where is your smile, bhai? With smile, I want your thumbs up. Yes. How many of you are getting? Please show your thumbs up if you are getting whatever I'm teaching. And especially the elder ones, please show your thumbs up so that I can understand that yes, you are getting me. Yes, thumbs down. I can see many thumbs are down. I will wait for them. And a very young one is showing the drawing in hand with red skirt and it is looking great. You have done great work. Dear? Yes, keep doing. Very nice. You all have done wonderful work. I can't believe. My God, it's great. Many are showing their work. And believe me, it's better than me. Show how much creative you are. The basic thing, the only thing required is guidance. And see, you can do the miracles. Yes. Now you will see the climax when I will show the shadow of sun in water. Okay. Yes, keep doing. Lovely. You all have done wonderfully. Great work. Okay. Now what we will be doing. If you have crayons, you take crayons. If you have oil pastels, take oil pastel. I will be preferring oil pastel. Take your oil pastel. And if you want to make it with, yes, start with, see now what you will be doing, very nice. One is showing now and done very nice work. See, I will show the grass. Sharp grass, small. Make small lines. Show the grass all around. Curved. You can use plastic crayons or oil pastel. Don't try it with colors, okay? And not with sketch pen also. Okay, this ways. I am using black. I'm using black and somewhere black. It is black. The complete work is with black only. Yes, you just swing. What you will doing? You will keep and swing. You keep and swing. Okay, so you will get a pointed edge. Show the grass all around. And you can use a green color also. I will love to add sap green. है ना, इसको मेहंदी कलर बोलते हैं नॉर्मली बच्चे, लेकिन दिस सैप ग्रीन. अगर ये ग्रीन ना हो तो आप कोई भी ग्रीन लो और थोड़ा सा ग्रीन, अरे थोड़ा सा ग्रीन इसमें ऐड करो. यस, थोड़ा सा, ज्यादा नहीं, थोड़ा ग्रीन ऐड करो. इट विल लुक ग्रेट. है ना, कुछ कुछ चीजों के तो ऑब्जेक्ट के कलर दिख रहे होते हैं. यस. और द टेक्निक, दिस पेंटिंग टेक्निक इज कॉल्ड शेल आउट. है ना, जो आप नॉर्मल लैंग्वेज में इसको शेडो आर्ट बोलते हो. आप इस लेग्स को थोड़ा सा और डार्क करो. एक कोट और डालोगे तो ये ज्यादा डार्क हो जाएंगे, लाइट लग रहे हैं. ठीक है, इसको थोड़ा डार्क और करो. यस. ठीक है, अब बारी है सन की. तो बी रेडी. सारे स्टूडेंट्स मेरे साथ पहले सन कर लो. पहले इतना कर लो. आई वांट टू सी योर थम्स अप before stepping on. Please show your thumbs up if you have done this much. Thumbs up, please. I will repeat my birds to make it more dark. अगर लगे कि एक बार के में आपके birds इतनी light हो गई है तो make it dark. It should be Z black. Okay? आप थोड़ा सा टच अप भी दे सकते हो पीछे थोड़े से ऐसे करके. You can show this ways also. अगर बेबी है तो बेबी के सिर पे थोड़े से ऐसे 2 बाल भी लगा सकते हो. ठीक है ना, ये छोटे छोटे 2 बाल उगा दिए to show that it's baby. Okay? Yes. Show your thumbs up if you have done this much. Please show your thumbs up. Yes. Now take one fresh earbud. अब earbud लो और white color लो और white color को सन के अंदर रख दो. ज्यादा सन के ऊपर चाहिए पूरा. यस, सन. एंड स्टार्ट मूविंग इट राउंड. फिंगर से भी कर सकते हो, ईयरबड से इसको पूरा राउंड बनाओ. अच्छे से राउंड बनाते जाओ, घुमाते घुमाते. टेढ़ा मेढ़ा ना हो जाए. और as you want to show the reflection in water, यहाँ आप सारे स्टूडेंट्स यहाँ ध्यान से देखो. Please see. You will be showing the lines. ये लाइन बनाओ. And mix it nicely. If you want to use finger, better use your finger. अपने फिंगर से इसको स्प्रेड करो अच्छे से. ठीक है. You can wash your hands afterwards. And show the lines. ठीक है. लाइंस बना के इसको छोटा कर दो लाइन को. और ये आ गई आपकी सन की रिफ्लेक्शन. And what you can add? Now, two words more. And with black, show the dividing line. Okay. And when you feel that your color is dry completely, you are just supposed to show. Look at this last touch up. We'll just be showing a line with white. Yes, you will be making a line with white. You can use yellow also. As this is sunset, you can use yellow also. Okay, if you don't want to make it white, just a line in the corner. Okay, and when it is dried, जब आपको लगे कि white एकदम dry हो गया है, तो आप इसमें हल्का हल्का orange की लाइनों से just add little bit of orange and yellow. Okay, हल्का हल्का लाइन बनानी है, ज्यादा नहीं. White should be properly seen. Bas. And your drawing, and you can see your drawing is ready for your mom. Okay? And I want to see, please acknowledge that how many of you got the method, whatever I taught you. Please show a thumbs up if you get everything, whatever I taught in the class. Yeah, please show a thumbs up. This feedback is, I want to know that whether you are getting in online class or activity or getting whatever I'm teaching or not. Yes. And please, students, one more thing, you don't forget, you hold this drawing in your hand and tell your mom to take your click and send your click to me. I will add this all, update this all on my Facebook page. Okay? We keep on updating all the activities of our classes, our activities on our Facebook page. So you please visit our Facebook page and like it. And before leaving, I want to knock once again. From tomorrow, our regular batch of junior ones and mom special batch is getting started. So if, and even for seniors, mom special and juniors, these all batches are starting from tomorrow. So those who are interested can contact us, and I will share the link of my YouTube channel. You can visit and learn a lot. I keep on uploading many videos so that you can go creative and learn. Whenever you feel like to do something creative, a guidance is required now. So on my YouTube channel, you will find lots and lots of guidance. Even cooking without cakes, without fire, and everything is updated there. So with this, I will wind up as the time. अभी तो हाँ, टाइम अभी है. Shall I wait?
ठीक है, bye.
देखो सबको बोलो कि दिखाने के लिए.
सब photo भेजेंगे ना.
Okay, students, and please don't forget to send your photo.
Number
Hold this photo in your hands. Huh?
WhatsApp number बता दो. सुनो, WhatsApp number देना. तो यहाँ पे दिखा दो.
And students, you will WhatsApp this. Wow, very nice. Many are showing it on the screen and they have done great work. It's great work. Lovely. Lovely. And you know what? You have done better than me. And you're so young. And say, this is my WhatsApp number. You please send your, you will hold this drawing and your smile should be there. Please send your click with your lovely smile. I'm waiting for your clicks. I want to see whether my kids are getting whatever I'm instructing for. On any inquiry, if you want to do, this is my WhatsApp number 7017997836. Okay? And
tomorrow you can also remain in the class.
tomorrow, in the new session of a junior batch, we are going to teach them a lovely, lovely impression art. A beautiful watercolor technique which students love to do. Okay? So, we keep on teaching them so many different and beautiful things. And this is just efforts to enhance their creativity. And this mom special batch is especially for moms who hardly find time for nurturing their own talent. So they are joining, and it is they are giving us comment that it is truly stress relieving. Means all the frustration is going somewhere else when they are handling colors and brushes. So everything is open for you. Okay, with this I'll take your leave. Bye-bye. May God bless you. Good night. Bye, students.